Hello everyone, welcome to the programmers. Today in this video, we will have a small brief about the roadmap and how we will proceed in this course further. So this course will be a start for you in web development, following with HTML, CSS and then JavaScript. As there is no full-fledged roadmap for web development, this course will provide you a direction to your journey in web scratching and web designing. So with the help of this course, you can make very interesting web pages and web designs. Here are some of web pages made by us during our learning time. The interesting part is that what we are watching on the screen is not a PPT, but it is also a web page made by basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. At the end of this course, you all are also able to make these designs with the help of HTML, CSS and basic knowledge of JavaScript. For any query and info, you can mail us on our mail ID. You can stay in touch with us on our Discord community. Links are in the description. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.